video है ना mà bác bảng
like the sun.
খুলেই বাস
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind? When in between the good and bad, there's such a thin line. How can you know what's in our heart? When often hate motivates and love tears you apart. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up.
Let's keep in mind that tonight should be memorable and unforgettable. All right, let's not be forgettable. So the very reason we're here, let's understand that we've come here to celebrate their great achievement, and reaching holy matrimony is a great achievement not only to the couple solely, but to the entire family and especially the parents. Your presence here will make their day and will make their evening. We have friends of Manbha who has come from far too, and we all expect to kindly mingle with each other. This is a union not only of two people, but two families and also friends. So let's all come together and make this night memorable and enjoyable. Do feel free to walk around, mingle around, and in a few minutes we shall hear a few performances from Manbha's friends. We will also have a few activities for the bride and groom as well as for the family. We're looking forward for the vibe we get from you. When you hear music, feel free to dance. We've come here to party, all right? So let's not be too rigid to our seats. Let's not restrict ourselves to one place. Please come and join us as we celebrate this evening. We do hope and we look forward for your participation. Sashisin ngipriang subhaya baro khoi kibahiyeng bahasam kiparamarjan marpar bagi parlok baro kibalai konshani kani kasngi kalong kabla karpang ba kajingdan jong phihang ni ka aiman sim shusho yakini ki shijor I aren bari Manbha khuble shibon e shi hajar ngo te kadaw bangi dan hang niam tasngi kadai bangin le kemen ba le burom mi shongkorem jong I aren bari Manbha tingin dawan hang ni sngo bha ngi shimbenta lang da ka bangi ya shat lang ngi enjoy lang tingin dan lang hang ni hakani kachaka ngi lekat bala bangi yoi ngi kendu yiki bahiyeng bahasam jong pa arliang yeng ngi kren batki ngi ithu ithau wat ki paramarjan marparu bat ki parlok ru sashisin ngindon ru yaki parlok jong iman bha ki balai wana chengai ki ban pensngau shapi ki sur jeng rai jong ki bagi jeng tem jong ki kilawan na ru na penter ti ngikir pat ya phi la da phidang le ayu sngo bha sawan chene shakmat sasngap yaki ngi kendu lang yaki bahiyeng bat ki parlok parajor jong baro armud ti jeng ye don lang kan long kan tajing mutru ya kajing don lang jong imta kami te khuble shibon feel free yashad and anyone who wishes to give any message to the bride and groom feel free. I will be walking around. I will be your MC for tonight. I am Valden John Pariat and I do hope you have a pleasant evening. Visit the food stations, the bars open, feel free, and we shall also make a toast. We do hope that you'll be here. So please participate. You hear music, stand up and dance, all right? It's up to each and every one of us to feel free and to enjoy. Let's make this night memorable. Looking forward for your participation, everyone. Okay?
Friend Manbha, as well as his darling Irene. So my elder brothers represent you as Khasi songs. I hope you will enjoy together with us. And first of all, I would like to introduce all the friends who are coming to perform on this special occasion. The singer will be my elder brother, Shi Crowley Khonglam. And a young boy will play Duitara. He is Mesarong Krau Khonglam. And a beautiful boy will play this bomb. In Khasi we call kabom. He is Mr. Kenno Rai Nongkrot. So I would like to hand over to my elder brothers. Hopefully that he will entertain this wonderful evening. Kublai sibun, ni kalian iba Manbha, di pralog juga, ibangi juga nanti, nakapor, sekapor, nakacing sekawi, mentah, ngano, ya ke tradition, kung kata kaburom lah ni kacing pralog. kata kajing peni ya kata kajing ni ngalak ban ai dah kajing ruai mentah kat bang ayo ngalak sini ngan ai jing ruai akan kapor kumlai ya kajing kasem paman pha bat ye kurim jong biru kumju bab pinya syai pinya klain pinya nang pinya start pinya kiu saprang kumba pi la ai ta kalenti yang iru pi kentiu lang sanong kendong te ngalalong prolog papi la bun muslim mentah kumlai paman pha prolog ubana sui jadu takata ruai ke pangan ai mentah da kajing i ke sui ja pi bro arngut Chua ban mi na hingi me kata ka kating ruai sunga ka present jenga ngai daga surji ruai ngam don ni paman ba tang daga surji ruai ai present di menta daga brom bakra jung pi disim ya kerdan long kumi long kupa disim ya ta kerdan kaba daga leng le jengi ki khasi ki kengkor ba ki keng brom ba ya ta kalong da kalong man menta ngakwa ban no semyang ya bi ya daga por ta